In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out Microsoft Teams from all other devices. This is really useful if you've signed into Teams on a shared computer, a work laptop, or a phone you no longer use, and you want to make sure no one else can access your account. We'll be using the Microsoft account security settings to sign out of Teams everywhere in one go. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser. Once you're on the main Teams page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there, which might be your initials or a small picture if you've added one. Click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with several account-related options. From that menu, choose the option labeled My Microsoft Account. When you click this, Teams will open a new tab that takes you to your main Microsoft account page. If you're asked to sign in again, go ahead and enter your usual account credentials. This extra sign-in step is normal and is there to help keep your account secure. Once you're on your Microsoft account homepage, look for the top navigation bar. Here, you'll see several tabs, such as Overview, Privacy, and others. Click on the one labeled Security. This is where Microsoft groups all of your sign-in and protection settings for your account. On the security page, scroll down a little until you find the section that deals with sign-in options and account access. In that area, look for a link or button that says Manage how I sign in. Click on that. This will open a detailed view of how and where your account is being used, including your different sign-in methods and devices. Within this section, you should see an option that says Sign Out Everywhere. This is the key action that logs you out from most apps and sessions where your Microsoft account is currently signed in, including Microsoft Teams on other devices. Go ahead and click Sign Out Everywhere. Microsoft may display a confirmation message explaining that you'll be signed out from most places. Confirm that you want to proceed. After this, it may take a short while for all sessions to be fully signed out, but generally it's quite fast. The next time you or anyone tries to open Teams on any of those devices, it will ask for your credentials again. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Microsoft Teams from all other devices using your Microsoft